All right. Well, we already elected our person. Now, that kind of leads us into our lesson today. Okay? Our goal today, by the end of this lesson, is we want to be able to evaluate situations from different perspectives or point of views. And believe it or not, we actually did that a little bit in our hook. We looked at a situation and we looked at it from different point of views. And then we also want to identify how others may feel in a given situation or scenario. Did we just do that? Yeah. We didn't have just one point of view. We had how many?
4.
We had 4 point of views. So, yeah, we were looking at how others may feel. And then also, we're going to apply looking at different perspectives to our daily life. And this kind of went with our heart-to-heart that we had last week and why it's important to think of the other person before you say something. Okay? All right. So today for our GLE, it's make simple inferences from the point of view of another character. So I'm going to give you some letters from Dear Mrs. LaRue, our story this week, and you're going to use clues from the story and what is in your schema, things that you already know, and you're going to come up with how another character may feel. Because we know how Ike, the main character, feels, don't we? He puts it on paper. He lets us know how he's feeling. What you're going to do today is you're going to look at Ike's letter and you're going to respond to him, but from a different character's point of view. All right? We're also going to organize our thoughts and ideas from different points of views to persuade our audience. We're going to start with a 4-square today to brainstorm our ideas, and then tomorrow we're going to put it into proper, friendly letter format. Are there any questions? We're good? Okay, well, let's roll. I do. I'm going to model for you what I expect of you. Okay, we're going to do some group work in just a few minutes, but I need to model for you first. Okay, and guess what? We're working in groups, so guess what you get to do? Talk. Okay, we're going to help each other out here. You're going to talk amongst your groups, and you're going to talk about how might the neighbors, some of you might have the guards, how might the guards respond to Ike? Okay, one group even has Mrs. Klondike, and she looks so sweet, but he makes her out to be so mean. All right, so you're going to respond. You get to put your name tag on, read, think about how this person might answer. You guys can even change your voices if you want. How's that sound? I know how some of you like acting. You can even change your voice if you want. And then I even have jobs for you. So on your index card, when I give you your number, I want you just to write it on your index card. Now this index card we're also going to use as our exit ticket at the end, and it's also going to be our reminder throughout our lesson because each person is going to have a certain job. 1, write it. 2, 3, 4. So Kendrick, when I say the magic word, you can go to your group and work with them. Are there any questions before we start, kiddos? What? All right. We're ready to roll? All right, I'm going to set my timer. I'm going to give you about maybe
10 minutes?
Yeah, I'll give you 10 minutes. All right, to go ahead and brainstorm this. If you finish early, I want you guys to practice how that person might say the comment, because guess what we're going to do? We're going to come back together as a group, and you guys get to share what you all wrote. Okay, so you guys can kind of rehearse it together as a group. You ready, Kendra? All right, cheeseburger, cheeseburger. Go ahead and begin, guys.